Let's see. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Super excited to unbox with you today the G63 AMG new car officially licensed by Mercedes. So we're gonna unbox the G63 AMG officially licensed by Mercedes. This is a 6x6 wheel drive and with a maximum load capacity of 110 kilograms. Remote control with 2.4 GHz is included, so parents can have the full control of the vehicle. The car itself is weighted 38 kilograms and the dimensions are 146 by 76 by 56. Rain cover for the car. Oh, look at this. Wow. Pretty heavy. So the wheels. Let's put them here. And the steering wheel. Now it is lighter, probably. So basically before we mount the wheel we must remove this gummy. So actually this gummy have a reason why it's there. So this doesn't go down. Alright, so let's do that. Oops. Let's put it back in. Oh, I think they all have the same. Huh? Yeah, they will. They didn't want to. To be mounted.
On the other side?
Yeah, on the other side. So the only possible way I found to mount the wheels correctly is by turning the whole car upside down. That's the only possible way. Still struggling with the last one.
The one maybe. Yeah,
Okay.
this one is sketched now.
Woo! Finally! Finally, so all the wheels are in place. Okay.
Oh, you want to bring this thing?
Thank you. Here. These are the mirrors, rear mirrors. This is the remote control. And the charger. USB key for music. I know. It's really heavy. This is for extra battery. Here.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Nice. Hi, come in. Hi, come in. Get in. Get in your new car. Get in your new car. Hi. Get to the new car, يا باب. طب كاميرا. هاي ينزل على الواحد ينزل هاي. أول ينزل هاي.
The car has started. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, guys. Can you stop now to do this in the flat, please?